In this video, we'll show you how to activate an HDD or SSD that isn't showing up in Windows 10 or 11. For example, let's say I've just bought a new SSD and installed it into my PC. However, it doesn't appear in File Explorer. When I check the Task Manager, I can see the disk is connected. If you've added a brand new disk to your PC, you might need to initialize it before it can be used. First, right-click on the Windows Start icon and select Disk Management. When the Initialize Disk dialog box appears, ensure the correct disk is selected. Most PCs use the GUID partition table, GPT, for hard drives and SSDs, as it's more robust and supports volumes larger than 2 terabytes. Older systems or removable drives may use the Master Boot Record (MBR) style, which is compatible with 32-bit PCs. Generally, you don't need to worry about the partition style. Windows will automatically choose the appropriate one. If you accidentally cancel the initialization process, you can restart it later from the Disk Management tool. Click OK to accept the default partition style. Next, right-click on the unallocated space of the drive and select New Simple Volume. Click Next and specify the size of the volume. The default size usually uses the entire drive, which is the common choice. Assign a drive letter of your choice, then click Next. Choose a file system, typically NTFS. At this point, your new disk should now be visible in File Explorer and ready to use. If needed, you can also shrink the partition later to create additional ones. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.